Hello guys, finally wanna make just this video that I didn't prepare at all. Wanna just speak with you like about my life, how everything is going. Now I'm in Sochi. If you want a bit later, I can show you like room tour. The beach is very close here, and I can see the sea again from my window, very big window with a very good view. So I plan to stay here until the middle of June. I still don't believe in it, so I will stay in Sochi more than like 9 months. I plan to stay here for 9 months. And for me, actually, it's a bit nervous times because I understand that now I need to start everything from the beginning again, look for friends, I was in St. Petersburg, you remember my parents came, so these days I just shooted some videos. I will post them a bit later, but actually now I wanna change a bit my blog because I made a lot of useful videos, you know, about culture of Russia, like museums, different places in St. Petersburg. I will post some more, and then after that I think I will change a bit the style of my vlog. This vlog will be just about my life, like my trips. I'm not sure because I don't plan any trips. I will just stay here, and I will be more concentrated on teaching now. So actually it was very hard, very stressful days because I had to leave St. Petersburg. It was kind of nervous times for me in St. Petersburg because I had to find the apartment here in Sochi. I couldn't find it. It was very funny. I rented this apartment. I didn't see the pictures, you know how it happened. Sometimes I feel like maybe I'm a bit crazy, strange person, because I was just looking for an apartment. I found one apartment that I really liked. I called there to these people. They say, no, we already promised this apartment to other people. I say, but I can send you money right now, like your people are still thinking, waiting, I'm ready. They say no, and then they say, give me your phone number, and I will give you the contacts of another person who also has apartment in the same building. I say, okay, and then I give them my number, and they say, are you from like Vladivostok? Your phone number is Vladivostok phone number. I say, yes. They say, oh, we are also from Vladivostok, and this person who has apartment, he's also from Vladivostok. I say, oh my gosh, this is so funny. And then, like a normal person, actually, I had to ask, like, could you please send me pictures? I don't know how I didn't do this. I just say, okay, you have apartment, I'm ready. I just send you some money and book apartment, and that's all. And then my friends ask me like, Nastya, you are crazy, like you go somewhere, you don't know, you send somewhere money, you come to the to rent apartment that you never seen. I say yes. I say yes, I will do, because I just trust to this universe. And that's true. Yeah, so I'm also sometimes a bit spontaneous. And I knew about this place is just that's the 13th floor, like very high. I live on the hill, so I need to go a bit to the hill, but actually that's fine, not a long trip, just some minutes, that's fine. And so interesting stories of my life as always. This apartment isn't big. I really like it because, you know, when apartment isn't big, you don't have to clean it for a long time. You need just some minutes and everything already is fine. It's really hot here. I actually cannot imagine how is it here during the summertime, because now it's like 25-27 Celsius for the end of September. It's very hard for Russia, and you know, when it's sunny it feels like 30 plus. It's really hot. People are still swimming and everything. That's the first time when I came to Sochi so early, when it's still warm. I have news. I will start doing sports again. I will go to the gym I will go not to the gym, maybe yoga, maybe fitness. I will tell you later how it will be, how everything, as everything will be, the progress. Also, you know that I told you that I have another blog about like where I posted some short videos. I plan to post there long videos. I want to try to post there long videos also about teaching, because I'm more like a teacher now. I want to make my videos more about just teaching. Here I will stay. I will continue making just videos like about lifestyle videos, about my life in Russia, but I understand now it will be kind of complicated because I live in Sochi now, and here I don't know what to show you. The sea, what I will show you here, and that's a bit complicated because people sometimes don't understand who I am when they watch my videos and teaching. Actually, it's the main thing what I do in my life. I teach Russian language, and I want that more people understand that I teach. I'm not just a girl who make videos about trips, travels, like funny videos. I'm more a teacher, and that's my job. I have to develop it. I want that more people could speak Russian. I mean, people who want to speak Russian. People who doesn't want, that's fine. I started it teaching like 4 years ago, like this, maybe. Now I'm 26, yeah, like this. And we will try, we will see. I'm not sure that this content about teaching will be as popular as just ordinary vlogs, but I will try to post both. I understand it will be really hard because I also want to make short videos, and I need a lot of energy and time for this. That's why I plan to do sports, like to get energy from nature, from sport. I give all the links after the videos. Who wanna join the classes, you can do this now. I don't promise you that you will learn whole Russian in some months. I can say you the real results, that in maybe some weeks you already can read, you already can start speaking your first phrases, just like hi, how are you, what are you doing? And then in some months, like 2-3 months, we already start using verbs. When you can use verbs, you already can create your own sentences, and actually you can already speak. And of course, if you want to speak more fluently, you need half of year and more, whole life. Depends on the goal. For me, languages, that's also the thing that I really love. You know that also whole my life I tried to learn languages in the university, like just different subjects like Polish, Japanese, English, ancient Russian. Myself, I tried to learn German, Spanish, French, Italian. Now I speak just, maybe I can say 3 foreign languages, kind of fluently. English and Spanish. French is like A1. Most of Russian teachers prefer high levels because it's more interesting, you know, it's more interesting. You have more opportunities like to make classes. I prefer to work from scratch, from zero, when person don't know anything. And you know why? Because after every class you see the result. Because when a person doesn't know anything, after every class you see this eyes, person is happy. When it's already high levels, you know, you need more time to see these results. So I adore to work from zero, even if it's more complicated, because you have, you know, to explain very simple things, and it's more hard to explain simple things that complicated things. I prefer 0 levels. Oh, let's start the alphabet. I adore this when I see how person starts reading the words. Mail, Insta, Telegram, and also Boosty account where you can book classes. So about Sochi. Here, people are totally different from us, from people from the, I don't know, Far East, Siberia, from everywhere actually. In Vladivostok, we are not used to speak with strangers. We are more closed. I'm not because I do my vlogs, and I kind of changed for last years because of it. But most of the people don't used to speak with people on the street, and here I feel myself so strange. I usually wear headphones almost all the time, just don't hear everything around me, because people start saying me strange things like, you know, everything were much more better here 20 years ago, and blah 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 blah. Like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? I just don't know. They try to start speaking with me, and I feel myself very strange, but that's good. I don't feel myself lonely even if I'm alone here. That's good. What I really like here, that's the climate. I live now in the area of Sochi, like that's the most clear area in Sochi, because here a lot of trees, a lot of like I'm close to the sea. I hear no factories, and that's why I choose this area, this territory of Sochi. Thank you a lot for everyone who sent me money here in YouTube, but that's very sad. I'm not sure that I can withdraw money from YouTube, because, you know, Russian banks blocked. No, they don't block. They take a commission, like I don't know, huge amounts of money, commissions to withdraw money, and I'm not sure even if I withdraw it, I will get 0. So that's very sad, but better don't send me money on YouTube. If you wanna support my channel, better send money to PayPal. I will give you the link. Also Patreon and Boosty account. But in YouTube, I will not get this money. Anyway, that's very sad, but that's life. Why I do these videos, just to show you the videos, and main thing is to find that people who wanna learn Russian could find me, and people who wanna know about Russia could watch the videos. So I will, as I said, I will post more videos about Russian language already, maybe also Russian literature. I plan to make an interesting video about Dostoevsky, because I really have what to say. I'm also a teacher of literature, you know. My first education, I'm also a teacher of Russian literature. My experience with Dostoevsky in my life. So if it's interesting, also write me in comments. So this channel will be still about my life, in Russia, another one about languages, because I understand if I will post here videos about languages, there is no much people who are interested in learning language. So here we still stay the same and everything. Also, don't forget to follow my Telegram channel, where I post my main news about everything. I will also give you the link. Write me actually what you would like to know. Maybe you want that I made also again like live stream. And who are interested in learning Russian, also follow my second channel. I will post videos there about Russian languages. I already posted there the video how to say hello in Russian by different ways, so follow this channel if you are interested in Russian. If you are not, you can don't watch. And send you hugs, goodbye, stay with me. Love you everyone.